baby's having a good wriggle around. Must be able to hear me talking.
Hey Beauts, so the Good Old Sun newspaper, which is a British tabloid for those of you not in the UK, released this article this year. And yes, apparently Bauble bums are in fashion now. You've seen glitter boobs, you've seen glitter bums, and now it's Bauble bums. And also Christmas pudding rather, boobs. Well, I suppose they could be Christmas tree boobs, depending on the shape of your boobs. Here's a picture of those. So anyway, I thought that I would do Bauble bump. So I actually recorded this as a glitter bump festival season thing. But I didn't quite get it up in time because my baby decided to come early, so it's going to be Bauble bump instead. So yeah, here you see I have coloured my bump. It was meant to be silver, but I actually picked up grey by mistake, but let's just ignore that. So I painted my bump grey, silver, and drawn some lines on, and I am just putting some glue on said lines. I'm using Prosaide, which is a prosthetic adhesive, and then basically just sticking different sizes, shapes and colours of jewels along those lines to make my bump look like a bauble. Yeah, my baby has now been born, which most of you will know. So this was filmed a good couple of months ago when I was huge and very tired, and yeah, you saw at the beginning there me showing the app where I counted my baby's kicks, and you saw me eating a banana because I got very hungry when I was pregnant. So yeah, I'm just waffling now to fill the time because there's only so much you can say about sticking jewels and stars on lines on a bump basically. But yeah, just make sure that you've got big jewels at the ends because this gives a nice end to each of the strips. You could do Bauble boobs, I suppose, if you didn't want to do Bauble bum, but yeah, keep sticking your jewels in until you're happy. Make sure the glue is dry, and yeah, I decided to stick some on my chest as well, just for good measure. And I added a nice glam makeup and glam hair as well, just to finish the look off. If you're doing this look for Christmas, you probably wouldn't want to wear a bikini. I don't know, maybe you could wear, I don't know, some kind of fluffy Santa inspired top or something like that, I don't know. But anyway, so this is the finished look. I did use some glitter as well, just for that extra bit of sparkle, and I think my bump does look rather like a bauble. What do you think, Beauts?
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. Love you all, my beautiful, beautiful weirdos. Not a good angle. Double chin.